Hey guys, it's me again, and today I got something in the mail. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna open it up, see what it is inside, and yeah. So I guess it was something I ordered. Yeah, it was something I ordered. I don't know what's gonna be inside, but we're gonna open it and see what's inside. First, I'm gonna open it quick. Oh my god, cannot get this open. Oh. Alright, so I got it open. So I think I might know what's gonna be in this. Alright, so I got is the Toons Adventures Season 1 Volume 1. And it has 4 discs: Buster, Babs, Plucky, and Hanson. Front, spine, and the back. And then we open it up. So, what the... Hold on a minute. Did I just get scammed? Alright guys, so apparently I have gotten the wrong one. There's one without the missing disc 1, but yeah, that's alright. I'll probably get myself I'm gonna just try to get another version that has the first disc in it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next unboxing. Peace. R.JBeagle signing off.